Today I'm super excited to walk you through how to raise chickens without spending a fortune. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make chicken farming more affordable, this video has got you covered. Raising chickens doesn't have to be expensive. With a few smart tips and a little creativity, you can set up your own chicken farm, keep costs low, and enjoy fresh eggs in no time. Let's dive in. The first step to raising chickens on a budget is finding them. One great way to do this affordably is by checking local community groups online. Sometimes people give away chickens, especially if they're downsizing their flock. Look out for beginner-friendly and budget-friendly breeds too, like the Rhode Island Red or the Leghorn. These breeds are hardy, great layers, and usually come at a lower cost. Check sites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even local farms. Many places sell chicks at an affordable price. Just make sure to choose healthy birds to avoid high vet costs later on. Next, let's talk about housing. Building or buying a chicken coop can be costly, but it doesn't have to be. One great option is a DIY coop made from recycled materials like pallets or old wood. You can often find these materials for free. Just remember the essentials. Make sure your coop is predator-proof and has good ventilation. A secure coop means fewer issues with predators and healthier chickens, saving you money long-term. Feeding chickens can get expensive, so here are some budget-friendly options. First, try to buy feed in bulk. It's often cheaper and lasts longer. And don't forget that chickens love kitchen scraps and greens. Just make sure you're giving them safe foods, like vegetable peels, fruits, and grains. If you're up for a DIY project, here's a simple recipe for homemade feed. Mix grains like corn and oats with protein sources like mealworms. It's affordable and packed with nutrition. Keeping your chickens healthy doesn't have to be pricey. There are many natural remedies you can use for common health issues. For example, apple cider vinegar in their water can help with digestion and boost immunity. Garlic is another great option for keeping parasites away. Also, check with your local farm supply store for affordable health supplements or vaccinations. Staying proactive about their health will prevent costly problems down the road. Let's talk coop maintenance. For bedding, pine shavings or straw are great low-cost options. They keep the coop clean and are easy to replace when needed. And when it comes to cleaning, skip the expensive products. A simple vinegar water solution can keep the coop fresh and hygienic without the extra cost. Happy chickens are healthy chickens, and you don't need to spend money on fancy toys. Try adding branches for perches or cardboard for them to peck at. Chickens love exploring new things, and these simple items help keep them entertained. Recycling items you already have is a great way to enrich their environment without any added costs. And there you have it, raising chickens on a budget is totally possible. Remember, it's all about using resources you already have, being creative, and focusing on the basics. With a few of these tips, you'll have a happy and healthy flock without breaking the bank. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more budget-friendly farming tips. And don't forget to drop your questions or budget-saving tips in the comments below. Happy chicken raising!